Did you know that planting just 12 vegetables can save you hundreds on your grocery bill every year? And these aren't your typical veggies. Once you plant them, they keep giving back, year after year. Stay tuned because number 7 is a game changer you won't want to miss. Imagine harvesting asparagus every spring without replanting. It's a perennial favorite with a 5-year yield. Jerusalem artichokes not only taste great but also multiply underground, providing a never-ending supply. Rhubarb is perfect for pies and keeps producing for a decade, saving you $20 annually on desserts. Which of these would you actually commit to? Drop it in the comments. Kale is the superfood that keeps on giving, thriving in cooler climates and providing nutrients year-round. With just a small patch, horseradish regenerates each year, adding spice to your meals. Sorrel, with its lemony leaves, is a perennial that enhances salads and soups, saving $30 annually. Consider the perennial multiplier, the walking onion, which regrows every season. Spinach is not just an annual. New Zealand spinach grows perennial and is heat resistant. Hit pause and Google the cost to start this in your city. I'll wait. Garlic chives offer a dual harvest, leaves for cooking and flowers for a garden show. Lovage tastes like celery but grows like a weed, providing greens and seeds for flavor. Ostrich fern fiddleheads are a gourmet delight, thriving in shaded areas. Raspberries spread easily, providing fresh fruit and cutting your grocery bill. Groundnut is a native tuber, offering protein-rich yields each year. The art of authentic cultural gardening brings true value, unlike generic advice. Gooseberries are tart, resilient, and provide an unusual addition to desserts. Which plant surprised you the most? Let us know. Sea kale is a coastal plant that offers edible shoots, leaves, and roots. Artichokes are perennial thistles that add beauty and food value to your garden. The authentic approach to gardening connects you to cultural roots often missed by others. Perennial herbs like rosemary provide flavor and are kitchen staples. Lovage can replace celery, providing a bold flavor and saving $15 yearly. Boring is not an insult. It's a blueprint. Which of these 12 vegetables will you plant first? Challenge your garden knowledge.